Hi, it's Matt from MJ Harris Group here, and we're at our Edinburgh Street project. Good morning guys, we are at Edinburgh Street. It's day one, demo day, a lot of action that takes place today. There's going to be a large transformation of this space. It's going to be completely refigured. A lot of ceiling height's going to change, a lot of floor levels are going to change. The whole configuration of the back end of this property has been redesigned and reimagined, so it's going to be a really exciting design. Currently, this is our existing kitchen, so it's not really servicing what our clients want. They want more of an entertainer's vibe and they want to maximise the view of the backyard. This room is going and this will become the dining space. So the wall behind me is going to come out, ceilings will be relined, we'll put some skylights in and that will be continuous throughout the rest of the space. The kitchen has been relocated to the back end of the house, on looking to the living room and a dining room. It's also adjoining the backyard, which is accessed through custom aluminium doors that can be opened up to enhance that indoor-outdoor living. So the style of the kitchen is ultra minimalistic. Our clients wanted the kitchen to sort of sit back in its own spot without dominating the surrounding living and dining spaces. Where the kitchen is located, it is relatively small, but we've been able to maximise and take advantage of the height and the width of the space by using predominantly white in the bench tops and the cabinetry, and we've complemented that with a really simple flat face door profile. To make sure the space didn't feel overly cold, we've incorporated a natural stone bench top with super white dolomite, which is incredibly dramatic. It's a very Melbourne stone, which I think is key to where the property is located in Richmond. We've also incorporated this full-length timber shelf, which adds a touch of warmth and creates a connection between our selection of floor linings. Three, two, one. How do I start? Yeah, I've forgotten how I do this.